Hello there, Albastuz3d here, and today I'm going to show you how to download the Albastuz3d chat app to conveniently reach support and get updates from Albastuz3d. This works on both mobile and desktop. First, on your browser, search Albastuz3d and open either of these websites. Once inside the website, pick one of the buttons at the bottom right to proceed to the Albastuz chat app. On the chat app, click the Download App button at the top, right to download the app on your device. Once it says downloaded, close this and go to your home page to see the Albastuz3d logo. Click it to open it. Once inside the app, enter your WhatsApp number for registration. Use your real number with your country code because this is the number that will be used as your ID on our servers. Click Start Chat. Click Allow to all those notification pop-ups to enable notifications and type your request and press Send. You will receive an instant agent reply from a professional agent who will help you with your request. You can also upload files and images using this File Upload button. Follow this same procedure for the mobile app. Here is how it appears to mobile users. When installed, you will receive notifications for when an agent message arrives, and you can upload files and pictures for easier assistance. Thanks for the watch. See you on the app.